Hi children, good morning. Welcome to Max online class. How are you? I hope you all are good and fine. Yes? Okay, Nana. So in previous class we started this chapter revision, Nana, second chapter revision. So and we completed A Roman, B Roman and C Roman. So A Roman is the choose the correct option. B Roman is the choose the correct operation. Operation means plus or minus. And C Roman is state whether the following are true or false. Okay. So once again we revise the true or false, Nana. If 0 added to any number gives the 0 as sum. Is it true or false? False. If 0 added to any number, we get the same number only. It's not equal to 0. Let us take one example. 2,45,804 plus 0 gives only 2,45,804. Okay. So, but it not equal to 0. If 0 added to any number gives the same number only. Okay, ma? And now we can subtract numbers in any order and the difference will be the same. Is it correct statement? No, it's a false. Why? Because 4 minus 2 equal to 2, but 2 minus 4 is not equal to 2, Nana. Any number subtracted from itself will give 0 as the difference. Yes, this statement is correct. Suppose if 8 minus 8 is 0, 9 minus 9 is 0. So, number minus same number equal to 0. To find the total of two numbers, we should add. Yes, to find the total number of two numbers, we should do addition. Total means add only, no ma. And next, when we add 1 to any number, the obtained sum is the next number. Yes. If you add 1 to any number, let us take 4,35,804. If you add 1 to this, we will get the next number 4,35,805. Okay, ma? And now D Roman. See children, A, B, C Roman we done in textbook only, no, Nana. Now D Roman, find the sum. Here they are given 4 sums, Nana. So, we will do 2 sums in classwork and 2 sums as homework. Okay? Come on, all of you take out your classwork, Nana. Take out your classwork. Take out your classwork and keep chapter revision. Write neatly. Chapter revision. And write D column. Find the sum. Find the sum. So, first one you can do as homework, Nana. Second one, note down 25,321 plus 1,27,893 plus 54,62,054. Okay? Note down this. Write neatly in your classwork, Nana. Keep the heading chapter revision. And D Roman, find the sum. A, B, C we done in textbook, Nana. So that you start the D Roman in classwork. Find the sum. Second problem. Do first problem as homework. And note down the second one. Now you have to arrange these numbers. 25,321. Here 1,27,893. Here 54,62,054. My dear children, don't write this one, Nana. So in this case, first you write the big number on the top. Okay, ma? See here, this is a 5-digit number. This is 6-digit number. And this is 7-digit number. 7-digit numbers are bigger than the remaining two. So first you write the big number on the top. 54,62,054. Now 1,27,893. Now 25,321. Okay? So like this we have to arrange. While adding the numbers, first you write the big number on the top. Next. Okay, ma? So first big number is 54,62,054 and next one is 1,27,893. Now 25,321. Add these numbers, Nana. 4 plus 3. 4 in the mind, take 3 fingers, 4 after 5, 6, 7. 7 in the mind, take 1 finger, 7 after 8. Now 5 plus 9, 14. 14 in the mind, take 2 fingers, 14 after 15, 16. Take 1 finger, 8 after 9, 9 plus 3, 12. Take 1 finger, 2 after 3, 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. My dear children, you should add all the numbers in that column. See, this is thousands place, no, Nana. In the thousands place, 4 numbers are there. Suppose if you forgot to add this number, you get wrong answer. Okay, Nana? So, very carefully you have to add the given numbers. 1 plus 2. Touch the numbers and add. 1 plus 2. Take 1 finger, 2 after 3. Take 3 fingers, 7 after 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. So 1 carry, 5 down. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. So 1 carry, 1 down. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. And 5. So answer is 56,15,268. Okay, ma? 56,15,268. Note down in your classwork neatly. Okay? Next. Third problem. Third problem you do as homework, Nana. So come on children, all of you put the tick mark for the first problem and third problem. D Roman 1, 3. Put the tick mark. This is for homework. Okay. 1, 3. Put the tick mark as homework. Now, fourth sum. 7,07,007 plus 70,007 plus 7,007. So 7,07,007, 70,007, 7,007. Here you must be very careful while arranging the numbers according to their places. It is lakhs place, but it is 10,000. So you should write under the 10,000s only. It is thousands. So you write under the thousands place. Okay. Now add ones place. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. Okay. So now 2, 0. 7 plus 7, 14. 1 plus 7, 8. 7. So 7,84,021. Okay, ma? 7,84,021. Note down all of you in your classwork. Next, E Roman. Note down E Roman. Find the difference. Find the difference. So you do first problem as homework. First problem, fourth problem as homework. Find the difference. Write down E Roman. Find the difference. So first Roman you do as homework. Second one, 46,92,000 minus 1,78,567. So arrange the numbers. 46,92,000. But it is 1 lakh. 1 lakh you write under the lakhs place. 1,78,563. Do minus. Okay, ma? So here you must be very careful, Nana. So 3 is greater than 0. So take borrow from this place. 10, 9, 9 to become 1. So now 10 minus 3 is 7, 6 to 9, 6 after 7, 8, 9, 3, 5 to 9, 5 after 3, 4, 5, sorry 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. 8 is greater than 1, so take borrow, 11, 9 become 8, 8 to 11, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 3, 7 after 8, 1, 6 minus 1, number minus 1 we get before number, 6 before is 5 and 4, so it is 45 lakh 13,437. Okay ma? Note down in your classwork. Now third problem. Third problem, right? 3,78,000. Sorry, Nana, 3 crore 78 lakhs 20,091 minus 11 lakh 56,763. So first you have to arrange. This is crores place. So 3 crore 78 lakh 20,091. But it is in lakhs place, 10 lakhs. So you write under the lakhs period. 11 lakh 56,763. Now keep minus symbol. My dear children, here you must be very careful while arranging the numbers. Don't write this lakh 11 under the crores period. Okay ma? Now 3 is greater than 1. Take borrow 11. 9 become 8. 3 after 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 8. 6 to 8. 6 after 7. 8, 2. So 7 is greater than 0, but here not there. So take the number from 10,000's place. So 0 become 10, 9 to become 1, 7 to 10, 7 after 8, 9, 10, 3, 6 to 9, 6 after 7, 8, 9, 3. 5 is greater than 1, so again you take borrow, 1 become 11, 8 before 7. Now start the counting from 5 to 11, 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 6. Number minus 1 we get before number, 7 before 6, 7 minus 1 also 6. So his answer is 3 crore 66 lakh 63,328. Note down this children. So you do 1 and 4 as homework. Okay, I will write separately this homework problems. You do in this in the homework book, Nana. Page number 34. D Roman 1-3, E Roman 1-4. Okay ma, that is homework problems. Note down and write neatly in the homework book. Now F problem. F problem, they are given 7 problems, Nana. Easy problems I will explain and give as a homework, Nana. The first one. A factory produced 50,55,055 bottles in 1 year and 41,22,358 bottles in the second year. Find the total number of bottles produced in the both years. This problem is very, very easy, Nana. So you only write this in the homework book. Okay, ma? A factory produced 50,55,055 bottles in 1 year. How to write? This is the number of bottle, no, Nana. Write the first step, number of bottles produced in 1 year. Okay. Second step, number of bottles produced in second year. Okay. First step is number of bottles produced in first year. Number of bottles produced in second year. So third step is total number of bottles produced. Total means which operation you have to select? Yes, plus. Total is the keyword for addition. So you do plus. Okay, ma? So do first problem as homework book. Okay. F Roman. First one is the homework. And second one. See ma, second one. The number of visitors in a festival was 20,35,678. Out of these, 13,21,678 were men. Find the number of women. Okay, I will explain this. So this will also you have to do in the homework book. Just I will explain, Seema. The number of visitors in a festival. So how to write this step? Yes, number of visitors in the festival. First step, number of visitors. Next, out of these, 13,21,678 were men. So number of men. We'll write the second step, number of men, and find the number of women. So third step is number of women. So totally 3 steps, Nana. First one is total number of visitors in the festival. Second step is number of men. Third step is number of women. Okay. So I repeat again. Number of visitors in the festival. Okay. Second step is number of men. Third step is number of women. Okay. How do you get the number of women? By doing addition or subtraction? Yes, very good, subtraction. Okay, ma? So first one is addition, second one is a subtraction. So do these 2 problems as homework, 1-2 word problems. Okay, again I repeat the steps. Number of visitors in the festival, first step. Number of visitors in the festival. Second step is number of men. Third step is number of women. Okay, ma? You do subtraction. Now third one. Third one, all of you note down in classwork, Nana. Note down. Wartburg. His name, Nana. Wartburg. Wartburg took a loan. Write neatly along with me. Took a loan of 70,50,999 to construct a building. Write neatly in your classwork, Nana. To construct a building, he paid an amount. He paid an amount of 55,21,819. How much loan is pending to be given by him? This is the problem. I will explain this problem first. After we will write the steps. Note down in the classwork neatly, Nana. Who is he? Wartburg. So Wartburg took a loan of 70,50,999 to construct a building. He wanted to construct the building, so that he taken the loan 70,50,999. Okay, now we have to underline that. Okay, he paid an amount of 55,21,819. Amount he paid back. So amount paid back by him is equal to how much amount he paid back. So he was taken the amount, loan amount is 70,50,999. Later he paid some amount. So how much amount he paid back? Yes, 55,21,819. Now, how much loan is pending to be given by him? How much loan is pending? So this amount only he paid, Nana. So pending amount we only find out. Pending means remaining balance. Okay. So he was taken the loan 70,50,999. In that loan, he paid 55,21,819. Remaining balance, that means how much loan is pending. That pending amount given by him. We only find out. How do you find, Nana? By doing addition or subtraction. Try to understand this problem. He taken the loan and he paid back some amount. Now still he want to pay something, some amount. How much amount he want to be paid? Is by doing subtraction. Come on, write the first step. Total amount. Write down, Nana. Total amount of loan. Total amount of loan taken by so this one you write in one step only, Nana. Total amount of loan taken by Wartburg equal to 70,50,999. Okay, ma? 70,50,999. So amount paid back by him. So how much amount he paid back? Yes, 55,21,819. Sorry, Nana, rupees you have to keep here. Okay, so amount paid back by him equal to 55,21,819. Now, pending amount to be paid. Pending amount to be paid. Pending amount to be paid. Still he want to pay, paid some amount. So that amount by doing subtraction will get that amount, Nana. Okay. So total amount of loan taken by Wartburg equal to 70,50,999 rupees. But amount paid back by him equal to 55,21,819. So pending amount to be paid is equal to, by doing subtraction, 9 minus 9, 0, 9 minus 1, 8, 9 minus 8, 1. 0 means take borrow, 5 become 4, 2, 0 again take borrow, 7 before 6, 10 minus 5, 5, 6 minus 5, 1. So 15,29,180 rupees still he want to be paid. Okay, Nana? Is it clear to you? How do we get that answer? By doing subtraction. Okay. So total amount of loan taken by Wartburg, amount paid back by him, pending amount to be paid. Still to be paid, how much amount to be paid? Yes, 15,29,180 rupees. Note down in your classwork. Okay, ma? And now fourth one, see, ma? A truck carries 12,35,558 kgs of rice and 15,25,419 kgs of wheat. Find the total weight carried by the truck. Total weight means what we do? Yes, plus. Come on, underline that points, Nana. This problem also you do as homework. Okay. Come on, write. A truck carries 12,35,555 kgs of rice. So how we write, Nana? Weight of rice. Weight of rice. First step. Weight of rice equal to. Next second step. Weight of wheat. Third step. Total weight carried by the truck. Okay. Okay, this problem I only do. So I'll write the problem, Nana. Fourth one, a truck. Write along with me, ma. A truck carries 12,35,555 kg of rice and 15,25,419 kg of wheat. Find the total weight. Find the total weight carried by the truck. So this is the problem. So again you read the question, Nana. A truck carries 12,35,555 kg of rice. So this is the weight of rice carried by the truck, and 15,25,419 kg of wheat. So weight of wheat carried by the truck. Now we find the total weight carried by the truck. Okay, ma? Come on, tell me the steps. First one, weight of rice. Weight of rice. Next, weight of wheat. Weight of wheat. This is 12,35,555 and this is 15,25,419 kg, Nana. So kg. So total weight carried by the truck. Carried by the truck. So do plus total weight carried by the truck. Write neatly, total weight carried by the truck equal to, add ones place, 5 plus 9, 5 fingers, 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 1 carry, 4 down. Now add tens place, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 5 plus 4, 9, 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry, 0 down. Take 1 finger, 3 after 4, 4 plus 2, 5, 6, 2 plus 5, take 2 fingers, 5 after 6, 7. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer is 27,60,974. Okay, ma? 27,60,974 kgs. My dear children, write this problem in your classwork, Nana. Note down in your classwork neatly, Nana. Remaining problems, that are 5, 6, 7 problems in next class I will explain. Okay, ma? So what we completed in the today's class? Addition problems, subtraction and some word problems. And I gave some problems as homework, children. So write those problems in your homework book and send to my personal number. Okay? I hope you do so. So you have to complete that remaining, complete that word problems what I gave as homework. First problem, and that only I'll give the homework in the word problem. In D Roman, E Roman and F Roman. F Roman I gave only first problem as homework. Okay, children? So do the given problems as homework and send to my personal number, Nana. Okay, tomorrow we'll continue the remaining word problems. Note down this word problem in your classwork neatly. Okay? Just pause the video and write neatly, Nana. Bye children. Take care of yourself, Nana.